Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a 2025 Nissan Frontier and we're going to be removing the front grille. First thing we're going to do, we're going to remove 6 push pins that are holding the top cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So raise the head of the push pin up and then you can remove it by just going under it. So if you look into the grille from inside, you can see 3 silver torque screws. It's a T20 bit, and we're just going to remove them. One's on the side. That's one. One's in the middle, right next to the lever. Now, there's 6 little clips on top here, and all you're trying to do is just pry them out and pull this way, so that way it unlatches the top cover. So with the first one, I'm just going to pry it and pull, and it unlatches. Pry it and pull. Alright, so we got the top free. Now I'm going to maneuver it out the way. So now there's 2 clips on each side of the grille that you need to pry open. You can either do that with a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool. So I'm going to wedge my prying tool in between the grille and the support, and I'm just going to twist it, and that's going to unlock it. So now I can show you these 2 clips from the side. 1, 2. And we just kind of put our screwdriver in here and just wedged it, and it unlocks. So let's do the same thing on the passenger side. Just wedge your prying tool, turn it, and it's going to unlock it. Wedge and pry. So here's clip number 1 and clip number 2. So now we're going to remove all the clips that are on the bottom of the grille. There are 7 that are on the bottom and 2 small ones on the sides. So I want to show you, this is one of the lower clips, and the side clip is right here. And you just want to press it up and release it. Alright, so I'm going to lift up the tab, and I'm going to pull forward, and that's going to unlatch it, and I'm going to go and feel them all going this way. And we're just going to unlatch and keep going forward. So now with the grille off, let me show you all the clips that were removed. So you have 2 on each side, and then all the ones on the bottom, you have 7 large ones and 2 small ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to get these 7 clips out, you just have to lift up on the tab and slide it outward. And then there's 2 clips on the sides, the small ones, you also press on them up, and that way you can be able to remove it. My overall opinion is that it's fairly easy to remove this grille if you follow these steps. Please stay tuned. I want to show you how we're going to install a light bar to this.